one that I want to talk about it is this one here, the object snap, and it helps us to start drawing. So for example, again, I start a line from here to here, and then I start the second line, for example, from here to here. Now assume I want to draw the line from the beginning of this line to the beginning of the second line. So if I click on that line, as soon as I bring my cursor close to that end, you'll see the AutoCAD helps me to snap that or select that. And then I bring my cursor to the end, to the beginning of the next line. Again, it's gonna automatically snap to that point, and I can click on that and click. Now, if I let me select that and delete it, if this one is off, if this is the feature, the object snap is off. Now look at what happened if I do the same thing again. This time it's not going to snap to any point. It's not going to snap to any point unless I know exact location of the beginning of this line and exact location of this line, so I can enter the coordinate for the beginning and end. The AutoCAD is not going to snap to anything, so I myself have to choose it manually. So it's usually, in most cases, some cases not helpful, but in most cases it's helpful that you go there and turn it on. So as soon as I turn it on, I try to draw the line, so you see it's going to snap, and it's going to snap here and help me to draw it. There's a list of what you can snap or what you don't. You can, if you click on the arrow next to that, it will bring up the list of whatever it's going to snap to or it's not going to snap to. So for example, the end point is on, the center point is on, the intersection is on, the extension is on, and the rest is off. For example, here, look at it, is the middle point. So if I want to draw a line from the middle of this line, the center of this line to the center of that line, you see the AutoCAD only choose the end point. But I want to draw from the center of the line to the center of this line. So to do that, so I first press escape to exit the drawing line. So I come here and I select the midpoint. So I come here, click on the midpoint to select that. So you see it's going to be selected right now, and there's a check mark next to that. Now if I go ahead and click on the line, now you look at it, it's gonna choose the middle point for me for the first line, and also you can choose the middle point for the second line. I can draw the line between the middle of the lines. So you can come here and depend on what you need to do, turn on or turn off any of those snap feature here, or you can turn it off entirely if you want. Usually it's a very helpful feature. I would suggest you to leave it on, unless sometimes you will find that you want to select a point, another point, and this snapping point keeps selecting the point that you don't want. In those cases, the only way is that you turn it off momentarily, choose the point that you want, and then go back and turn it on again. If it doesn't let you to choose the point, if it automatically select the wrong point, but it doesn't happen very frequently. So this is the object snap, and